How to restore WhatsApp chats on iPhone in minute using iCare Phone Transfer. First off, you need to download the software on your Mac or Windows PC, then launch iCare Phone and click on WhatsApp option available there. Now connect both devices to your computer. It could be an iPhone and an Android or two iPhones or Android phones. Make sure the source, that is the device from which you wish to transfer the data, is on the left side and click on transfer button available there. If one device is an Android phone, you may see a pop-up asking to enable USB debugging. You will also see screenshots on how to do that. Now finally, a small pop-up will ask if you wish to override the data. Read it carefully and click on continue option available. Click continue again. The software will start getting data from the source device. After this, follow the on-screen instructions. It requires simple steps for confirming your WhatsApp number. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.